Hi everybody! We are in my kitchen for science today. Last week you got to learn a lot of stuff about water with Miss Fletcher, and today we are going to be putting some different things into this big bowl of water, and we will see if they sink or if they float. If they sink, they will go down to the bottom of this bowl of water, and if it floats, it will stay up here on the top. Okay, before we get started, you need to go find some paper and a pencil, and you're going to draw this bowl and add a line at the top of it to show that there's water in it, because we are going to use this picture today while we do our experiment. So I'll give you 1 minute, go find some paper and a pencil and draw your bowl so that we can get started. All right, here is the first thing that we're going to put in our water. This is a rock. So go ahead and make a prediction. Do you think that this rock will sink to the bottom of the water or float on the top? All right, our rock sinks all the way to the bottom of the water. So now you are going to show that on your paper. The rock sinks, so you're going to draw the rock down here at the bottom of your bowl of water. Next is a leaf. So go ahead and make your prediction. Will it sink or will it float? Okay, the leaf floats. So go ahead and show that on your paper just like I did. Next up is an apple. So make your prediction. Will it sink or will it float? The apple floats on top of the water just like the leaf. Go ahead and add that to your paper. Okay, this is our next item. All of you should know what this is. This is a quarter. It's worth 25 cents. Make your prediction. Will this quarter sink like the rock, or will it float like the leaf and the apple? All right, the quarter sunk all the way to the bottom just like the rock did. So go ahead and show that one on your paper. All right, our last item today is a little bit tricky. This one is a cup. Okay, so go ahead and make your prediction. Do you think that this cup will sink or will it float? Okay, so if I just put this cup right on the top of the water, it floats. But if the cup fills with water, it will sink down towards the bottom, kind of in the middle of our water. Okay, so that last one was a little bit different. The cup didn't just sink all the way to the bottom or just float at the very top of the water. It was kind of in the middle. So I showed that on my paper. All right, we finished our water experiment. Now we're going to finish our scientific work by adding a title and some labels so that if someone else is looking at our work, they understand the experiment that we did. So the title of mine is going to be Sink or Float. I have the title of our experiment, and now I'm going to label each item so that you know what they are. Okay, we finished our water experiment and we did a great job of thinking like scientists, making predictions, and showing our work. And guess what? You don't have to stop here today. This is something that you can try at home, easy peasy. All you need is some water and some stuff to sink or float. Just make sure that you ask a grown-up to help you out and help you find the things, okay? Have fun. I'll see you next time.